Another day with hazy sunshine out there for us, but some scattered afternoon storms, meaning the potential of some impact weather as some of those storms later this afternoon could have gusty winds and small hail with them, mainly after 2 o'clock. From there, drier weather expected for Friday and most of Saturday before the next system starts to angle in Saturday night and into Sunday. Threat level today is at a 1 out of 5. We're looking at after 2 o'clock, the chance of some scattered storms. Heavier downpours will be a possibility, as well as gusty winds and small hail. Again, scattered around, not everyone will see them, but the general movement will be from north to south as an upper level system continues to pass to our east. You can see those chances really start to pick up after 2 o'clock this afternoon, probably linger through about 7 or 8 o'clock this evening. A little more humidity in the air as we go forward, and that will play a role in better rain chances for the second half of the weekend and early next week. And still present is the wildfire smoke out of southern parts of Canada. We will continue to watch that linger around over the next few days. So instead of the blue sky that we have had in the early portions of the week, it's been more of that milky white sky. Again, hazy sunshine allowing temperatures to warm into the 70s to lower 80s otherwise. Clearly see the upper level system spiraling around in the Canadian Maritimes. This will wobble out to sea tomorrow, but because of its closest proximity today, it's about a 40% chance of some showers and storms after 2 o'clock this afternoon. Before we get there, you may notice a little more humidity in the air. I don't think it truly feels humid until we get toward the weekend. Here's your scattering of some showers and storms around that upper level system through the afternoon. Movement, again, will be from north to south through the afternoon before winding down as the heating goes away tonight. That will be sufficiently away from us tomorrow, and an area of high pressure will place it that will go back to the generic 10% chance of a pop-up afternoon shower or storm. And then, after some fair skies on Saturday, we get later into Saturday evening and into Sunday, and the potential will be there for some scattered thunderstorms, and the best chance likely later Sunday and into Monday as a front eventually makes its way through. Also keeping an eye on the tropical system, which is Ernesto at this point. It is currently a hurricane out over the Atlantic. No effects for us, minus a larger swell and maybe some minor beach erosion heading into early next week. 76 to 82, some hazy sunshine, that chance of storms, a few of which could be strong after 2 o'clock. Those wind down after 8 o'clock this evening. Tomorrow, back to a 10% chance of a few showers and storms. Here's your 7-day forecast, which has temperatures holding in the 70s heading into next week.